design of the city simulation game itself is unpredictable, in the sense where how far can the city grow and the balancing between the economy and the citizen satisfaction. See My City project is part of the iGEM, where we have to emphasize on green concept of the city. One of the biggest challenge of the project is to implement green concept as part of the mechanic in the game.
As a software engineer, I find it a challenge to sync my skill with the team's ability to build this game. Game development is a different construction environment compared to the one that I'm exposed to. With my current skills, I use it to develop applications and different algorithms to deal with people's information. But for game, it has its own different game concept and different understanding of the construction phase. So why do I say this is a challenge to me? Now, it is a challenge is because it's difficult for me to use my skill to contribute to the game development. Although it has different aspects, but it do have common grounds. For now, I'm able to keep up and I'm able to contribute to the team.